Ublalottak, Conwick busy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Hey everyone! Welcome back to day 3 of our Growth Mindset series. We've learned about how our brain grows when you practice and put in effort. Today, we're going to focus on something we all face: challenges. And guess what? A growth mindset is the perfect tool to help you overcome them. Let's be real. Sometimes things really feel hard. Maybe it's a tough math problem, a sports challenge, or even a personal goal that seems out of reach. When we're faced with a challenge, it's easy to feel like giving up and saying, "This is too hard." But here's where a growth mindset comes in. Instead of giving up, a growth mindset tells you, "This is hard, but I can learn from it and keep trying." It's all about shifting the way you think about the challenge. Let's compare 2 ways of thinking about challenges. A fixed mindset might say, "I can't do this." But with a growth mindset, you would say, "I can't do this yet." That little word, yet, makes a huge difference. It means you believe you can improve with effort and practice. Challenges are a part of life, whether you're learning to solve a math problem or practicing a sport. But with a growth mindset, you see challenges as opportunities to get better. Maybe you didn't get it this time, but that doesn't mean you won't get it with more practice. A growth mindset helps you see that every challenge is a chance to grow. When you put in effort, even when things are hard, you're actually growing your brain and getting stronger. So next time you face a challenge, remember, the more you try, the more you grow. And remember, it's okay to feel frustrated or stuck sometimes. That's totally normal. But with a growth mindset, you know that hard work, effort, and sticking with it will help you get better over time. All right, let's wrap up today with a circle up to think about how you've used a growth mindset to overcome challenges in your own life. For grades K through 5, your question today is, can you think of a time when something was really hard, but you kept trying and eventually got better at it? How did it feel to keep going? And for grades 6 through 12, your question is, what's one challenge you're facing right now, and how can you use a growth mindset to keep working through it? This is a great time to pause, get in your circles, and talk about these questions. With that said, I just want to say, great job today, everyone. Remember, challenges are opportunities to grow, and with a growth mindset, you have the power to keep improving. Keep going, and I'll see you next time.